Now imagine what your life is going to look like if you actually exploit the machine learning pathway. Now, everybody knows how much AI is transforming every industry right now, and transitioning into machine learning is actually a very wise choice for somebody who happens to be a public health professional wise. Now, in this video, I'm going to be explaining in details the trajectory that you're going to take for you to get to your destination. Now, the very first thing you need to do for you to become machine learning engineer, you need to pick one programming language to learn. Now, it could be Python or it could be R. And essentially, what it's going to take you for you to get started with these languages is maybe it could take you 2 months of good consistency, and you can actually get very good with the syntax. Preferably, I prefer R. R is very good. Python is also very good as well. I've worked with that as well. But then you just need consistency, and then you're going to get good with the basics. You cannot become a machine learning engineer without good programming skills. Remember, if you're going to be applying for a PhD, you still need to have very good programming skills as a public health student to exploit that career path. Now, the next one is what you still need a bit of information on mathematics and statistics. Okay, so you can actually take a crash course on statistics. You need to understand linear algebra, calculus, and probability. These are very, very important areas for you to look out for in mathematics and statistics. It's really going to give you a lot of edge, particularly when you're going to be performing some kind of predictive modeling and you need to really understand what is happening. Remember, that's actually the second line of action once you're good with a programming skill. Now, the third one is what you need to actually understand the data analysis because you're going to be working with a lot of data sets, and it's quite very important for you to make sure you apply some of the statistical information that you've gotten on your way towards understanding data analysis, because you might be working with a lot of data. So let's take, for example, you might be working with breast cancer data set. You need to know how to clean data. You need to know how to, explore, visualize data. You might want to have a touch of understanding of some of the, dashboard, how to visualize, data using very, very, engaging dashboards and all that. So this is actually very important for you. And, Python as a programming language provides you with a lot of frameworks, that you can use in, visualizing data. So a good data analysis skill is also very important for you to get started with that. And maybe it can take you maybe a month or two of consistency, where it all depends on you and how hungry you are for it. And the next one is well, now this is where you now start coming into the fundamentals of machine learning, where you need to understand supervised learning, unsupervised, and some type of model evaluation. There are also other types of learning like reinforcement learning and all that, but at least some of the basics you need to get started